Hello students, myself JVN Professor Dr. K.K. Chaudhary. Today we will discuss about the topic of chloride shift. Chloride shift, और you can say इसका दूसरा नाम भी है हेम्बर्जर फिनोमेना. Heimberger phenomena. We have already discussed the transport of carbon dioxide, which is transported in the blood into the three forms: dissolved form, second is in the form of carb amino hemoglobin, and third is in the form of bicarbonate ions. %, in the dissolved form, 23% in the carb amino compound of the amino acids, and 70% in the form of the bicarbonate ions. First आप देखिए ठीक है. CO2 from tissue, because at the tissue level the oxygen is used up for the metabolic reactions and CO2 is produced. When CO2 enter into the RBC, in plasma only 7% is dissolved. In RBC, the CO2 combined with water in the presence of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase CA, आप लिख सकते हो, in the presence of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, and forms the carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a weak acid which further dissociates into the hydrogen ions and the bicarbonate ions. ठीक है. These hydrogen ions, either CO2 combined with hemoglobin, and form the carb amino hemoglobin HbCO2 plus oxygen, and it is released into the plasma. This is plasma, ठीक है, and this is the red blood cell. Here these hydrogen ions bind to the किसके साथ, hemoglobin, bind to hemoglobin, यानी कि HbO2 plus O2, and cause the release of oxygen या unloading of the oxygen from the hemoglobin. Now what happens with the bicarbonate ions? These bicarbonate ions are transported into the plasma. ठीक है, transported in plasma. ठीक है, and HCO3 negative, and to compensate the charge the chloride ions move inside. ठीक है, chloride move ions, and this is the chloride shift. इसको आप क्लोराइड शिफ्ट बोलोगे. ठीक है भाई. CO2 कहाँ से आ रही है आपकी, बताइए. When the oxygen is used up into the tissue and due to the metabolic reaction oxygen is used up and CO2 is produced, so one by step and we can consider it that the first one, the greatest portion यानी कि 70% of the CO2 is transported in the form of bicarbonate ions. ठीक है. Then CO2 react with water of the cytoplasm in the presence of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase to form the carbonic acid. CO2 doesn't react with the water into the plasma because in plasma enzyme carbonic anhydrase is absent. ठीक है. Combined with water and form the carbonic acid in the presence of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, and then there is breakdown of. ठीक है. The carbonic acid, third point में you can say the carbonic acid is a weak acid which undergo partial dissociation and form the hydrogen ions plus bicarbonate ions. The given reaction mostly occurs inside the RBC. ठीक? Inside, because the enzyme carbonic anhydrase is present into the RBC, not into the plasma. The bicarbonate ions then diffuse outside. Bicarbonate ions then diffuse outside. Diffuse outside the RBC in the plasma and combined with sodium ions. And forms the क्या बना देंगे बताइए. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट NaHCO3 outside, combined with sodium ions and forms the क्या NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate. ठीक है. The loss of bicarbonate ions, फिफ्थ पॉइंट में लिख सकते हो आप कि loss of bicarbonate ions from RBC causes positive charge inside RBC. भाई ये जब आउटसाइड जा रहा है तो RBC के अंदर क्या हो गया, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ठीक है. विच इज बैलेंस्ड बाई, ये आपका बैलेंस्ड बाई diffusion of chloride ions from the plasma to RBC. from plasma to RBC अंदर आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. this exchange of chloride ions, कि this exchange of chloride ions and bicarbonate ions between किसके, प्लाज्मा एंड आरबीसी is known as chloride shift. क्लोराइड शिफ्ट की जो एक्सचेंज है क्लोराइड आयंस का और बाइकार्बोनेट आयंस का प्लाज्मा और आरबीसी के बीच में टू मेंटेन द चार्ज बैलेंस, that is the chloride shift. This phenomena of chloride shift maintain the electrical neutrality of the cell. Maintain the electrical neutrality of cell. सेल की इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी को मेंटेन करता है. एंड दिस फिनोमेना इज ऑल्सो नोन एज हेमबर्गर फिनोमेना. हेमबर्गर फिनोमेना भी इसको कहते हैं. रिवर्स ऑफ क्लोराइड शिफ्ट ऑल्सो अकर्स इनटू द टिश्यूज. तो दिस इज द क्लोराइड शिफ्ट, यानी कि फर्स्ट कि कार्बन transported into the three forms: dissolved form, carbamino group, hemoglobins or bicarbonate ion. 70% of the carbon is transported in the form of the bicarbonate ions. In the tissue, due to the use of again oxygen, CO2 is produced from due to the metabolic reactions. Metabolic reactions, CO2 is produced, and from CO2, from the tissue, the CO2 diffuses first into the plasma, then into the RBC. Okay? In plasma there is no carbonic anhydrase enzyme is present, so there is no formation of the carbonic acid take place. In tissue, in RBC, CO2 combined with the water and form the carbonic acid because of the presence of the maximum abundance of the carbonic anhydrase enzyme. This carbonic acid is a weak acid which further dissociates into the hydrogen ion and the bicarbonate ions. Hydrogen ions combined with the hemoglobin and help in the unloading of cause the unloading of the oxygen. Here bicarbonate ions, due to the concentration gradients, move out from the RBC into the plasma. So these have the negative charge. To balance the charge, the chloride ions from the plasma enter into the RBC. So this exchange of chloride ions and bicarbonate ions from plasma to RBC, plasma and RBC is known as the chloride shift. इसको आप हेमबर्गर फिनोमेना के नाम से भी जानते हो. This is all about the chloride shift. Thank you.